Tesla offers premium connectivity, enhancing your Tesla experience with features like live traffic, video streaming, and satellite maps. Currently, it costs $9.99 monthly or $99 annually. Switching to the yearly plan saves you about $20.88 annually, roughly a 17% discount. It's a straightforward way to save if you plan to use these features long term. You get the same benefits without interruption, and Tesla lets you switch plans anytime. So yes, it is worth it if you use premium connectivity. Switching is simple via the Tesla app or your car's touchscreen. In the Tesla app, go to Software, then Premium Connectivity. Select Manage and choose the annual plan. Confirm the $99 payment. If switching from monthly, any remaining balance will be credited. On your car's touchscreen, follow the same steps under Software and Premium Connectivity settings. Changes take effect immediately. Many owners find it seamless and report high satisfaction with the savings, making it a no-brainer for long-term Tesla users.